Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When your vehicle squats, more of the underbody of your vehicle is exposed, increasing frontal area and therefore increasing aerodynamic drag. According to the EPA, aerodynamic drag is the greatest factor impacting engine efficiency when traveling at high speeds.
Take our lead.
Depending on the size of your lift, buying and installing a lift kit can easily cost anywhere between $400 to $4,000 if you install the kit yourself. If you hire a professional, it could cost between $800 and $8,000. You should have a better idea of how much it costs to install truck lift kits.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Contrary to popular belief, the Carolina squat began in California, which is why it was also referred to as the California lean or the Cali lean. The trend emerged back when Baja racing was popular in the hilly desert terrain of California, and it originated in the Baja racing circuit.
Take our lead.
Stop the squat, towing suspension upgrades. Helper bags. Adding helper airbags to the rear of your pickup is a safe and easy way to support additional tongue and bed weight. More springs. Full air replacement. Block it. Long travel bags. Spring stable. Weight distributing hitch.
Take our lead.
The reason to squat trucks for this race was so that when you hit a jump at high speeds, since your rear end is lower than your front bumper, your rear hits first to keep you from crashing. Today, squatting is basically done on trucks for style and look.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.